Quick daily market analysis for Tuesday, January the 27th. Hi guys, I'm Don. I'm a financial analyst and a trader. American markets were mostly positive today with the tech stocks on the NASDAQ driving the market higher. We had weakness in the Dow there after United Health posted earnings and their outlook disappointed investors. The stock sank. Obviously, it's a big player on the Dow, which sank the Dow as a result with that negative sentiment there. We did have earnings out from UPS there. UPS did come in positive on their earnings. The company is looking at laying up off to 30,000 employees. Traders, investors are now pivoting to the Fed meeting, which starts today. Their policy meeting there. It's not expected that rates will change at all. However, investors and traders will look ahead to see if they can detect any language from the Federal Reserve which might dictate future policy. And over to European markets where stocks traded mixed. We had a consumer sentiment report out from Ireland showing sentiment is at a 9-month high. We also had positive data out of Spain showing that job creation is at a high since 2008, so big improvement there. Spain right now is one of the best performing economies in Europe at the moment. And we had big corporate news out from Puma saying that they have a Chinese sportswear company that wants to buy about 16% of the company's stock. And over to UK markets where stocks were higher. That's in the back of figures out showing that retail sales have jumped to a 2-year high. So inflation is still a problem in the UK. And we have a survey out from consumers that are expecting the inflationary prices to continue in the UK. And lastly, over Canadian markets where the TSX managed to squeeze out a gain. We did have rising oil prices helping the energy sector move higher. Gold stocks also moved higher with the help of a rising gold price. We had weakness in the silver trade there as traders took profits. Silver dropped over 3%, pressuring that area of the market there. We did have the IMF out stating that if the regulations in provinces across Canada, those regulations were cut, it would increase the GDP growth in Canada by over 7%. And we're also seeing data amongst the IPO section there of the market starting to increase there. So there's optimism that IPOs will rebound this year in Canada.